Amazon Web Services is the service that we use across Nova Scotia Connect for storage, mostly for photos or other content that we're pulling into our records. There are a lot of components to AWS, but the only part that we're using currently, at least, is the storage. So in order to get signed into AWS, each region has its own login credentials, and we all share what's called a bucket. So we're going to get logged in here to the Fundy Connect bucket, and we'll show you what that looks like. So you head to amazon.com/console. The links to get there are also in your instructional document. So you can head there. That's linked in the description below. You can click on that to get to Amazon Web Services as well. You can Google it too and find your way here. So however you get there, you want to find the spot that says sign into the console and click that so that you get here into this login page. So for everyone across the province, our 12-digit account ID is Nova Scotia Connect in all small letters. Then for your region, it's just Fundy Connect in all small letters. And you can see here I have the Highland Connect one saved, so they're all the same. Valley Connect, South Shore Connect, they're just all small letters, but then we each have our own unique password as well. So just for security reasons, I'm not going to say what the password is. It's also not in the instructional document, so you will have to get this from someone in your region if you're going to be using AWS. I will also say that this is definitely a higher level data management task, so be sure that you are confident and well trained before you get into Amazon Web Services and start uploading or deleting anything. Okay, so we're going to sign in once we've got our credentials in there. Now what I've done is bookmarked that page and saved the password and everything because I'm on a personal computer. So then when I usually go, it remembers me, so it's a lot faster. Okay, so here we are, and we can see, like I said, that there's a lot of different components to AWS. But up here where it says recently visited services, you can see that I've been to S3, and then down here under storage, you can also see S3 as an option. Either way, that's where we want to head to. So S3 storage, and when you get there, you will see a number of different buckets for all the different regions. Then you just find your own bucket and click that to open the Fundy Connect folder. And then there's a number of folders within the Fundy Connect bucket. So each region sort of organizes this a little bit differently, or not at all, depending on the way it sort of organically happened. If a lot of people are adding to it, it can kind of get out of control, but either way, this is where you upload and find files that have been uploaded in the past. So if you wanted to upload a file here, so say you've got your picture all ready to go, and we're going to go over that in the next video, how to find and edit your photos to prepare them to go up to Amazon Web Services. You would find either the folder you want to put it in and open that folder, and then maybe there's a folder within that. Whatever it is, you want to find the folder that you want to put your image in, or depending, maybe you just upload it right here into the main bucket. It just depends on what it is and the organizational structure that you've figured out in your region. So just because it's where I've been adding stuff, I'm going to head to the training folder, and here you can see under 2021 we've got all of the instructional documents that are getting pulled into the description of each of the training YouTube videos. So I'm linking those in from here. So this is another thing that we can do with Amazon Web Services, is host documents and other content that we can pull in as well. It doesn't just have to be photos. So if I wanted to then upload something here, either a photo or a document, whatever it is, I could create a folder and put it in a new folder, or I could just hit upload and then add files, and you go somewhere on your on your desktop or your computer and find the documents that you're looking for or the image that you're looking for. Click open and then upload down here. Click that. So for example, I'll just go ahead and do one. So say I wanted to upload this code cheat sheet again. I would click that, click open, scroll down here and click upload. You can see that there's a status bar up here and then it succeeds. And then once it's uploaded, you can see it down here. So you go ahead and click that. It's going to open in a new tab. And then we do need to make this public. So in order for the link to be publicly accessible and not hidden on our site, we're going to copy this first and then go to Object Actions and click Make Public. So then it'll take us to the second page where we have to confirm that we want to make this item public. So again, we do it here. Cool, successfully edited public access. So now that link, wherever I put it, will be available for the public to view, and it'll work. So that's how you use Amazon Web Services. Again, all of this is in the document, the instructional information that's linked in the description. So it's got screenshots and everything. So, and again, if you have any trouble, you can always contact Freshdesk as well with a ticket.